Alright, what's up guys, it is Angel here from the Next Generation BMX, and today we're going to be doing a 2016 bike check. The 2017 will be done later because I haven't put any new parts into it, but probably like June of 2017 I'll do the 2017 bike check. Stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so first and foremost I'm riding the Fit Conway 2016 frame. It's a 20.75 length. From bars, I have the Scumbags, the Fit Scumbags 9.420 rise, and I have the Holder grips. Right here in the bottom, I'm running the Colt V2 stem Rasta. Also, I have right here the Colt V2 forks and the Fit Complete front wheel. Alright, so now coming into the middle, I have right here a Sunday seat, pivotal. I have Primo lights, and I have the stock Fit cranks, and then the Rasta sprocket Colt. It matches my stem. And then pedals, I have the BSD Safari pedals, and then I have just a normal KMC chain. Then in the back I have the Complete Demolition rotator, and it's a free coaster. And then I'm running these Stranger ballast tires. They're really nice. And I have 2 Colt butter pegs and 1 BSD root tube. So those are pretty much all the parts I have on my bike. And if you guys like them, go to your local bike shop or go to Dancecom to get them. I'm pretty sure they have them all there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, so that'll be it for my 2016 bike check. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm just going to get some clips and end the video. Alright, so with that, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your neighborhood bike check company that we're going to be out here every week making videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh!